Today we're going to be mixing it up a little bit because we're not only just doing a sneaker unboxing, but we are also doing a clothing haul. So it's a kind of little bit of a mixture. So listen, I got a huge amount of packages surrounding me right now that we need to unbox and get into. And you know I don't like to waste time with the intro, so let's just get into it. For once, we may actually need the knife. First package I got here. I was just really interested in the look of this sneaker, and now I have no idea if we're gonna like it or not. So this is a Nike box. Now again, like I said, just keep in mind this is a budget sneaker. I spent £65 on this, which is like what, maybe $80, 70 something dollars. This is the Nike Waffle debut. Essentially this sneaker released relatively recently, and because I freaking loved the Waffle one that Nike dropped last year, I was like, damn, I need to get my hands on these to see if these kind of stack up. Is this the latest new Waffle sneaker that we're gonna love for the summertime? Now obviously this colorway, just all over black and white, was the only one that I could find in stock. I wanted the all over sail colorway, but this is the only one they had, so I wanted to try it out. And honestly guys, I was gonna make a review on this kind of as like the budget sneaker for 2022. But yeah, you guys let me know, would you like to see a review on these? What do you think of just the general look of them? Alright, next package up. This one I know is from Represent. They sent this over to me, so I need to get a knife. We got a pair of socks. Okay, we got a piece of clothing. I'll show you guys that in a second. Oh, and then we got the sneakers on deck. Right, so let's take a quick look at the piece of clothing they sent. So this is, okay, these are the cargo shorts. I got a size small, and this material is very similar to a couple of their other pants that I own. The military pants, if you own those from Represent, this is very similar material, very good quality. This is something that I'm gonna be wearing 100% on holiday. One of my favorite cargo shorts that they just recently dropped, so super happy with this. Thank you, Represent. But listen, we got something really exciting, which is a first for the channel. Some Represent sneaker. Gotta say, I'm pretty excited because the colorways they sent are insane. Inside the box, you get an extra pair of laces, very premium. I like the packaging. Ooh, and you get a dust bag. Oh god, these are so clean. Take a look here, guys. Colorway on this, I know some of you are gonna think these look a little bit familiar. So this is the Raptor Low model. Take a look at the quality on that toe box press test. You've got some suede paneling on the sides in black. And then you got the sail laces just kind of unlaced like that, which I love. It just comes pre-laced exactly how I would lace my sneakers. Like most of my sneakers, I just wear unlaced exactly like that. And it's come at perfect time because I'm going to London this weekend and I'm gonna be wearing out, you know, maybe if I go for a little dinner, I might be rocking these. That's gonna be a perfect summer sneaker colorway, but I'm gonna throw that up there. This is also part of their latest release. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, this is like, man, you could really dress these up or dress them down. That is the beauty of this sneaker model. Same insane leather quality. This is insane. I really like these. I think it's just such a nice freaking style. Either way, thank you so much, Represent. I'm probably gonna end up wearing these this weekend. Right, so we got a sneaker from Nike, which I'm not gonna say I've been itching to unbox it, but I have been very interested to unbox it. So let's do it together. There's the logoing on the top. It's an all over sail yellowish type of box. What do we got here? This is the Billie Eilish strap ones. You know what, actually these are not that bad. I mean, I don't know, it depends if you're a fan of like strap shoes. I guess it kind of looks a little bit strange having all of these straps. Like it gives me like, I don't know, 2014, 2013 vibes. On each pair you've got 5 Velcro straps, which is definitely a little bit weird, and then you've got laces underneath. So I don't know what you needed to do, but if you needed your foot extremely secure in your shoes, well, these are the ones for you. If you guys are a fan of these, let me know down in the comment section. But we finally took a look at them. My interest has been satiated. Here we go. Let's throw them in the back and let's keep it moving. Right, we got a couple more items from Represent clothing. This I picked up because, again, like I I said, I'm going to London this weekend, which of course I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'm going for a sneaker event, but I will be going to like dinner, so I do need to kind of dress smart. This is their Nivea shirt, or their Nivea overshirt. This is super clean, very heavyweight, like very heavy for a shirt. And what I really like about this shirt is that it goes over hoodies really nicely as well, so you can really dress this up or dress it down, which I'm a huge fan of. Obviously, represent quality is A1, super nice and thick, and it just looks super smart on. Yeah, I mean, I'm freaking happy with this. I'm gonna be wearing this in London, looking all smart, you know, me out here at the dinner. I mean, I'm normally like sneakers and streetwear and hoodie. It's been a while since I've had to dress up smart, so yeah, I gotta get back in my game for that. And then this, finally, got myself some of their brand new core t-shirts. I've had a lot of questions from you guys, and honestly, I've been wondering myself, like, what is their core t-shirts like? Because it's a whole new kind of material and a whole new fit, essentially. So I went and got the 5-pack. So I've got 5 different colors. This material definitely is different to what you would normally get from Represent. The only size I could get my hands on was small. So yeah, these things are tight, but that's kind of the design of them. Like, they're made to be tighter fitting. So, you know, like how I'm wearing this overshirt, and you know how if I chuck a hoodie on, it hangs out the bottom and it's just generally very heavy. Well, this is kind of like a lot thinner, so it's going to be perfect for like layering, or just generally speaking in the summertime. I'm going to be wearing these a lot during the summer, and also to work out. I really like the fit of them. They're nice and tight, you know, I'm going to be in the gym. This is going to be great for like smarter occasions as well. Sometimes like a super baggy oversized t-shirt just doesn't cut it if you're going out somewhere nice. Maybe you're wearing a shirt over the top. These could look really good to layer with. Right, we got one more pair of sneakers, but before we do that, I just gotta pack in from Summit UK, Summit Clothing. So let me unbox this. So excited to check this out because it's a brand that I've kind of been looking at. Some of you guys recommended me this clothing brand, and they reached out and they were like, yo, what's your address? We're gonna send you some stuff. And I was like, hell yeah, the stars have aligned, because I've really liked a lot of their items on their website, and they sent a lot of stuff. First item that just really caught my eye, this one right here. Man, this colorway is sick. So this is the reverse knit hoodie. It's kind of like jewel loop back, I believe is what they call it, but it's everywhere. It's a nice faded wash, kind of, I guess maybe light blue type of color. Great colorway for the summertime, man. This is going to be a really nice one. Wow, the material is insanely nice quality, thick, and just like super heavyweight. I like this hoodie a lot. Oh yes. Okay, so a piece that I really wanted from Summit was their flannels, because they absolutely kill it in the flannel game. So this is what they sent me. Jeez, this is a little bit different, because I don't even know if I would necessarily go for this color, but now that I have it in, I'm like really liking it. Maybe you got like some kind of brown shoes. Okay, this is something they personally recommended to me. They said, listen, you gotta try our Puller Flight pants. Okay, so it's super stretchy. Now, for sizing reference, when you see me trying this on, I got a small. Yeah, this is, man, for the summer, like the stretchy, lightweight, like this is super lightweight. Look at that. Just rolls up into a ball. You know what? This is gonna double up as like a really nice casual pant that you can wear to the gym, but also because it's not cargo, you could probably dress this up really nicely as well. Oh, one of their t-shirts. Okay, so we got a nice little oversized pocket t-shirt, all over black. This is another size medium. I'll obviously show you guys in the B-roll what this looks like on me. So far, quality feels immense. That's really nice quality. We got another hoodie. This is, oh geez, what is this? Wow, this is interesting. So this is a kind of like reverse hoodie. Yo, so this is like a reversible hoodie, I guess. I mean, yeah, you could just reverse it and it looks like this washed kind of gray off black color. Just to have like something that's so different to a regular hoodie, I freaking love this. Final piece they sent through. Okay, these are the cargos. Oh man, this is like the same material as the Puller Flights, except now this is more of a cargo vibe. This is the gray colorway. This is nice. Jeez, thank you so much, Summit. This is, I mean, man, I'm gonna be rocking this. All right, last thing to unbox. We got a pair of sneakers in. This is a Nike by you. I tried to make a pair of pandas once upon a time, and I kind of messed that up royally. Well, I got a second chance. Here it is. This is the Nike Dunk by You Panda, and I chose the high version. So this basically just confirms my thoughts. The Nike by You quality is 10 times better than the GR version. You can make a bunch of other colorways that restock all the time, like the Kentucky, the Syracuse. I think you can make a University Red as well. I chose the Pandas. The leather on here is way nicer, guys. Look at this. Look at that leather. I mean, the mid panels or anything white that you see on here is kind of a fabric material, like a nylon-ish. And honestly, I kind of like the Pandas in the high version. Let me know if any of you guys ever got a pair of Nike Dunk by Yous and what you think of the material. Do you prefer it? That's pretty much all the packages. A huge thank you to Represent and Summit Clothing. Don't forget, I'm going to be vlogging this weekend. I'm taking you guys to a sneaker event, so be sure to subscribe to the channel for all of that. I want to thank you guys so much for coming through and hanging out with me once again. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.